Welcome to my channel, everybody. This question is related with theory of equation, and see the question here. Prove that the equation that is sine 3 alpha, a sine alpha plus b cos alpha plus c has a 6 roots, and that the sum of the 6 values of alpha which satisfy it and it is equal to sum of the roots of this equation are all multiple of the pi radians. Okay, so in my previous video there was a discussion about the tan expansion which I have introduced in my previous video of the complex number. Okay, in the last video. So see carefully the expansion of tan of some of angles. So use this formula, we can solve this and find and want to show that the expansion of tan, the sum of the solution of alpha is equal to the odd multiple of pi radians. C. Okay, this is sine 3 alpha and is equal to a sine alpha plus b cos alpha plus c. Okay, that is 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine q alpha, and that is equal to a sine alpha plus b cos alpha plus c. Now the expansion of sine alpha we introduce here as a sum multiple angle, that is, okay, this is 2m by 1 plus m square, and again cos alpha we can write here 1 minus, that is tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 here, and that is 1 minus m square by 1 plus m square. And these sine alpha and cos alpha are introduced to the equation number 1. This 1, okay? Then we get, that is 3 into 2m by 1 plus m square, 4 into, that is 2m by 1 plus m square whole cube, a into sine alpha, that is 2m by 1 plus m square, b into cos alpha, that is 1 minus m square by 1 plus m square plus c. Okay, and now simplify this equation. Okay, this is 6m here, and this is q, and this is a to the power 1, so this is a square. Okay, and 4 is a 32 mq here, this is mq, and now see this is here 2am plus b minus bm square plus cm square, and with the multiple of that is 1 plus m square whole square. Okay, see again, we take LCM here 1 plus m square whole cube, and this is here 1 plus m, so cancel out on the both side. So on the left hand side, on the numerator part there will be 1 plus m square whole square, and this is multiple of that. Okay, and write again, and this is expand m 1 plus 2m square plus m to the power 4, that is 32 m cube, and there is also a expansion like this is m square into this is here c minus b, and 2am, and the remaining of b plus c here, and we expand this 1 plus 2m square and m to the power 4. Okay, and multiply this 6m 12m to the power cube, 6m to the power 5, 32m cube. If we multiply by 1, then we get m square, c minus b, 2am b plus c. If we multiply by 2m square, then we get here 2m to the power 4, c minus b, 4a m cube. This is multiplied by this 4a m cube, and multiply by this here. This is m square within the bracket b plus c, and multiply by m to the power 4 here. So m to the power 6 into c minus b, m to the power 5, m to the power 5, okay, and here m to the power 4, and that is b plus c here, okay. Now again rewrite here the equation, like here highest power b has 6, so this right hand side are transferred to the left hand side, okay, like that. M to the power 6, and coefficient here is this is c minus b, and now 5, look here, this is 5 here, this is 5 2a, again 5, nothing, this is minus 6, and this is m to the power 5. So take a common here and write here 3, and now m to the power 4. Look here, this is a 4 and 4 here. So 2c minus 2b and b plus c, and this is here for nothing, okay. And now c cube, m to the power cube here, so m cube, this is 4a, m cube, this is here 32, this is here 12, that is minus plus 20, again see m to the power 4, nothing, okay, bye, this is 6, okay, 20, this is your m cube. And now m square, look here, this is c minus b, m square, this is here m square, that is 2b plus 2c, and m square, nothing, okay, m square, and now m here is, this is 2a, on the left hand side is 6, so that is 2a minus 6, and constant term here is, okay. So c minus b, m to the power 6, 2 into a minus 3 into m to the power 5, and c, that is 3c minus b into m to the power 4, and take a common 4, and a plus 5 into m cube, and this is 3c plus b m square, 2a minus b plus m into m, and b plus c, okay, and check it, c minus b into x to the power m to the power 6, okay, 2 into a minus 3 m to the power 5, 3c minus b m to the power 4, Okay, 4 into a plus 5 whole to the power m cube. Four into a plus 5 whole to the power m cube. B plus 3c into m square. 2a minus b into m. 2a minus 6 into m. Oh, this is 6 into m plus b plus c equal to 0. And now this is the 6th power of m. So m means that is the tan alpha by 2. It means the roots are here tan alpha by 2. There are 4 different roots like tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2, tan gamma by 2, tan delta by 2 and tan something. Okay. So here we want to find the sum like is 1. So sum of the roots, that is minus b by a, from the theory of equation we can write here by c minus b, and a is 2, that is minus plus, this is 3c minus b by c minus b here, and a is 3, and that is equal to minus, this is 4 into a plus 5 by c minus b, and a is 4, this is plus here. Okay, this is 3c plus b, 3c plus b by c minus b, a is 5, that is 2 into a minus 3, this is minus plus and this is a minus by c minus b, and a is 6, this is plus b plus c by c minus b here. Okay, now the formula of tan expansion, that is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 plus alpha 6 by 2 here, and this is equal to S1 minus S3 plus S5 and divided by 1 minus S2, S4 minus S6. So this formula we have introduced in my previous video of complex number. There was the expansion of that. See the video in previous video of complex number. So there was the discussion about this formula, and now see, I want to find the value of that, that is 1 minus S2 plus S4 minus X is here, and that is 1 minus S2. See, this is S2, this is 3c minus b by c minus b, and this is here S4, that is 3c plus b minus c minus b, and this is here S6, that is b plus c minus b here, and we take an LCM like c minus b, that is c minus b minus 3c plus b plus 3c plus b minus c. Okay, c and c are cancelled, 3c and 3c are cancelled, b are cancelled, then plus b minus is 0 here. So this is 0. So in that case, so the expansion of tan, so alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3 dot alpha 6 by 2. Okay, that is equal to infinity, so that can be written as pi by 2, and that also, so this is tan alpha equal to tan beta. From the general solution we can write here alpha 1, alpha 2 dot plus alpha 6 by 2, that is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay, multiply by 2, then we get here alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 6 is equal to, take a common pi and multiple of 2n plus 1 where n is an integer. So it shows that this sum Again, we see that the question having the 6 values of alpha. This is the 6 values of alpha, and this sum of the 6 values of alpha is equal to the odd multiple of pi radian. This is the odd multiple of pi radian. It is the questionnaire. Okay, so it's proved. So this is a very important question today. See carefully. Okay.